Welcome back to How to University. Before we get started, like always, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and don't forget to like the video to connect more students to the How to University channel. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to add links to your YouTube channel. So if you are logged into the right channel, you'll go up to the top right hand corner, go to your channel. Once you're here, you're going to click on the About section, and you're going to see that there isn't anything here that lets you do any type of editing. So now you want to go to Customize Channel up at the top right. Once you have selected that, you can go over here to the basic info section, and you're going to have the name of the channel, the handle that is now new on YouTube, the description of the channel, languages that you want added. You have a custom URL here, and now the section that we're looking for is links. So we're going to go ahead and do one here as an example so you can see what that process looks like. So we're going to go ahead and click Add Link. The first link is going to be Twitter, so I'm going to type in Twitter. And then what I normally do here is all you do is open up the Twitter account. So we're going to click on Twitter here. We're going to go over to the profile that we want to add. So here's the How to University. And all you have to do is click on the URL, right click, and select copy. Now we're going to bounce back to our channel, and we're going to right click and put paste. And then we're going to go ahead and have that link added. All you have to do now is go to the top right, hit publish, and we're going to wait for all of the settings to publish. We're going to click on this button here that says view channel. Once we go to the view the channel now, there is now a Twitter button that people can click on, and it'll take them to the How to University channel. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already. It'll help the algorithm to connect more students, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.